Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to take your drone shot on the next level using Luma AI. Whether you are capturing breathtaking landscapes or a smooth aerial sequence, Luma AI can help you turn ordinary footage into cinematic masterpieces. So let's dive in. First thing first, you will need a capable drone, a smartphone, and a Luma AI app. Luma AI uses advanced machine learning to enhance video quality, stabilize footage, and even add cool 3D effects. If you haven't installed it yet, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Alright, once your drone is ready, make sure to set it up for a high resolution video capture. Luma AI works best with clear high quality footage, so aim for 4K or at least 1080p if possible. Now launch your drone and capture the shots you want to enhance. For the best results, try to keep your movement steady and avoid jerky planning. This will give you Luma AI more data to work with, resulting in smoother final edits. Once you have captured your footage, open the Luma AI app, import the drone footage, and let the app analyze the clips. This might take a few minutes depending on the length and resolution. From here, you can add cinematic effects like dynamic zoom, advanced stabilization, and even hyper-realistic lighting adjustment. Use the AI power tools to enhance colors, reduce noise, and create stunning 3D effects. Once you are happy with edit, export your masterpiece. You can share it directly to social media or save it for future projects. And that's it. You've just turned your drone footage into a cinematic masterpiece using Luma AI. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more drone tips and tech tutorials.